And welcome back, everyone. Let's carry on. Let's do some application questions. So, Chen wants to invest 12,000 Rand. He visits two banks. Bank A offers him 8.15%, simple interest over 3 years. Bank B offers him 7.2% compound interest over 3 years. Showing all calculations help Chen decide which bank to choose. Now, if you're looking at this, there's two banks, two different interest rates, and two different calculations, because the one is simple interest and the other compound interest. So let's see what we've got to do here. I'm going to start with Bank A. So for Bank A, okay, we have 12,000 Rand. The interest rate is 8.15%, and this is for 3 years. So let's go with year 1. All right, remember, we've got to take the principal amount, 12,000 Rand. We've got to multiply that by the interest rate, 8.15%. We get the interest amount. I get 878 when I use my calculator. And this is the interest. Right. Then we take 12,000 Rand, the initial amount. We add on the 878 Rand interest, and this gives me 12,878 Rand. And that is the amount, excuse me, in the account at the end of the first year. Let's look at the second year. So for year 2, right, there you go. We take the previous year's amount, 12,878 Rand. Again, we will add on 878 Rand because we are dealing with simple interest. And this gives me 13,756 Rand. And lastly, for year 3. All right, for year 3, I get the previous amount, 13,756 Rand. We'll add on the interest of 878 Rand, and this leaves me with 14,634 Rand as a possible investment. I apologize, we jumped there a bit too quickly. There you go. All right, that's Bank A. Let's look at Bank B. Now remember, Bank B is using compound interest. So we have 12,000 Rand still. Now the interest rate is 12%, and we're going for 3 years. Let's see what we've got to do there. So this is Bank B. Bank B. All right. So for year 1, right, we'll take the starting amount of 12,000 Rand. We'll multiply that by the interest of 7.2%. That's the interest rate. And I get 864 Rand, which is our interest. Okay. Therefore, 12,000 Rand plus 864 Rand leaves me with 12,864 Rand in the account at the end of year 1. All right, 2 years left. So year 2, right, the previous year's amount, 12,864 Rand. Here we're not going to add on the interest because remember, compound interest, we've got to do the calculation again. We've got to times this by 7.2%. Work out interest again, which I get to be 926,208. Like I mentioned, let's leave all the decimals in play till the very last step. Therefore, 12,864 Rand plus 926,208. This leaves me with 13,790,208. Okay, almost there. 1 year left. Year 3. All right. The previous year, we have 13,790,208. We will multiply that by the interest rate of 7.2%. Oh, I apologize. Right, let's bring that back. That gives me 992,894,976 with all the decimals. Therefore, let's check what's in this account now, what should be there. We get 13,790,208 plus 992,894,976. And we have 14,783. Oh, that's not a comma. I apologize. 14,783. Here's the comma. 10. All right. That's the amount that he should get in his account if he used Bank B. So to analyze, Bank A, 14,634 Rand. Bank B, 14,783 Rand 10. Therefore, Bank B should be the better option. Nice work. Let's move along. Mr. Mbele decides to sell one of his cars and wants to buy a motorcycle in order to save money. All right, let's see what we've got to do here. He bought his car for 98,000 Rand and sells it for 55,000 Rand. Calculate the Mr. Mbele's percentage loss. Okay, that's the one value, that's the other value. So, 55,000 Rand minus 98,000 Rand divided by 98,000 Rand times 100. And we get negative, to show the loss, 43,88%. Ooh, a bit too fast there. There we go. Nice work. Let's do question 2. See, it's peeping ahead anyway. Mr. Mbele buys a second-hand motorbike for 32,500 Rand and decides to invest the remainder of the money in order to surprise his family with a boat cruise in 2 years' time. The investment earns 10.75% simple interest per month. Ooh, no, that's not supposed to be per month. That's supposed to be per year. Let's just change that one quickly. Okay, per year. And he invests it for 2 years. All right. If the boat cruise costs 45,000 Rand for the entire family, will he have enough money after 2 years? All right, let's just take note of this part here. Okay, it says he bought his car for 98,000 Rand and sells it for 55,000 Rand. Okay, let's see what we've got to do here. Firstly, we've got to see the amount of money that he has to invest. So, if he sold the motorbike for 55,000 Rand, all right, and he bought a new second-hand motorbike, there it is, for 32,500 Rand. The difference here will tell you the amount of money that he invested. So he wants to invest 22,500 Rand. Okay, for 2 years. So simple interest tells us year 1, All right, we get the initial amount, 22,500 Rand. We multiply that by the interest rate, 10.75%, and this gives me 2418.75. Therefore, 22,500 Rand plus 2418.75, and I get in the account now 24,918.75. All right. Again, simple interest for 2 years. We've got to go to year 2, where we take year 2. We're going to take the amount at the end of the previous year. We get 24,918.75. I then add on the interest. There's the interest there. All right. We add on, let's fit it in here, 2418.75, and I get 27,337 Rand 50 cents. So, to answer the question, if the boat cruise costs 45,000 Rand for the entire family, will he have enough money after 2 years? Sadly not. Thanks everyone. Let's have a short break. When we get back, we'll wrap things up. Looking forward to seeing you guys soon.